Hey everyone, welcome back to another easy and fun JavaScript tutorial. Today's topic is something super useful, the ternary operator in JavaScript. Have you ever looked at a long if-else statement and thought, man, I wish I can write this in just one line? Well, JavaScript gives us a smart shortcut. It is called the ternary operator. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how it works, but also use it in real-life examples like checking temperature, age, ticket price, marks, and even login system. So grab your chai, sit back, and let's learn in chill way together. So let's start. So our today's topic is, what is the ternary operator in JavaScript? The ternary operator is a shortcut for if-else condition. In JavaScript, it allows you to write conditional logic in a single line. Condition, expression if true, expression if false. Condition. What you are checking, true or false? If the condition is true, run this expression. If the condition is false, run the second expression. Else, condition is false, run second expression. So let's try to understand it through the example. Let's say you have a website or app and you want to check if a user logged in. Here is how we can do it using ternary operator. Let is logged in equal to false is logged in. True. Then log welcome back. Else log please log in to continue. So this is how we write this. First condition. If this condition is true, run first expression console.log welcome back. Else it is like a else. If false, run second expression console.log please log it to continue. So our condition right now is false. So it's going to run this part. Please log in to continue. So if the user logged in, it say welcome back. Otherwise, it tells them to log in. One line, that's it. Simple and clear. Let's try to understand. Let's make a second example. Now let's say you are building a small health app or just writing code for fun. You want to check someone's temperature. So how you gonna do that? Let's see. Let temperature state if temperature greater and equal to 37.5. So if condition is true, console.log high fever, else log normal temperature. Let me comment this one. Okay, let's see. High fever. Well, it is said high fever because the temperature is 38 and our condition is true. 37.5. It should to be 37.5 or above the 37.5. So it is not equal to 37.5. It's just the above. What if I make a prompt here? 23. Normal temperature. Normal temperature. Okay, so this is how ternary operator works. Let's make another example. So, example 3. Okay, now imagine you're building a movie ticket app. You want to give a cheaper tickets to kids. So for that, let's see how we're gonna write the code in ternary operator. Let age equal to number from enter your age. Then condition if age lesser than 13. So friend, child, ticket price 100 rupees. Else friend, adult, ticket price 200 rupees. So let's see if it is working or not. Enter your age 13, adult ticket rupees 12, child ticket 13, adult ticket 15, adult ticket and 1 child ticket. So how it is working? So this is our condition. If this condition is true, so run this part, first condition, and else run this code. Adult ticket price 200 rupees. And this is our condition. True, run first statement. False, run second statement. So this was our third example of ternary operator. So let's move on our fourth example. You have two numbers. You want to find out which one is smaller. So let's start. Let A equal to. If A is lesser than B, log. So I'm using backticks here. It's called template literal. I hope you remember from previous videos. A is smaller, else log template literals is smaller. Let's see if it is working or not. Enter your first number, 12, and second number, 1. 1 is smaller number, sorry. So this is a good mini practice if you are just getting started with comparing values. So let's make our example file. Let me comment this. Result based on marks. Check this out. Let marks equal to 76 if marks greater and equal to 90, condition true, and log excellent. I'll shift down arrow key. 75, 60, 40, very good, pass, and log fail. So let's see how it will going to work. My marks value is 76, and in JavaScript, code runs line by line. So first this line will be run, after that this will run. So it will check condition. My condition belongs to between 76. So 76 will end up here in very good, as you can see. Well, we are checking step by step from highest to lowest. So the first condition that matches will run. So our this condition match, so it runs. Let above enter your marks 45, pass, marks 56, pass. If I write 1K, excellent. So every number above 90 will going to print excellent. I hope you understand how it is working. We are checking step by step from the highest to lowest. So the first condition that match will runs. This is a great way to creating grading system or performance level in your project. And that's it, my friends. This was the power of the ternary operator in JavaScript. Just one line can replace whole if-else block. And you have seen it worked with login system temperature checker and age-based logic. If you understood this, give yourself a big high five. If you liked this kind of teaching, please like and subscribe. Comment below. I'm learning JS with Risky. I reply to every comment and I did love to see how you're growing. Thanks for watching and remember, keep coding, keep building and never stop learning. See you in the next video.